Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check mobile networks. First, go to the settings, after that to connections, and you have to choose the mobile networks option. And here you can see data roaming. Using mobile data while roaming may result in additional charges. So you have to click on that if you want to turn it on. And here you can see that Volt Core SIM1 use 4G data networks for calls whenever possible, so you can turn it on and off here as well. Here is the network mode and the four options for that, and the access point names, the Orange Internet, the Orange MMS, the Orange Voice for me, but you will have other if you have other access point names. And here you can see the network operators. Let your phone choose the best mobile network for you. If you turn this off, you can choose from a list of available networks. So if you turn that off, it should appear the other networks. It seems that you have to wait a little bit for that, searching for networks. And here you can see the available networks for me. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please subscribe. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye.